Hello everyone. Today we will learn about transpose function in Excel. If you are asked to change your data from vertical to horizontal manually, then it is very difficult. But with the help of this function called transpose, you can easily convert your data to horizontal from vertical. I'll show you today two different ways to transpose. As you can see, I have a data here, marks of student in a vertical format. We have a data in a vertical format. I'll show you how we can make this data in a horizontal format. Now first you need to select the data, then you need to copy with the help of Control C. So I have copied the data. Now I want my data to be pasted here in a horizontal way. So what we will do, I'll just simply right click. Now you can see, go down, there is an option paste spatial. Just click to that paste spatial. In the bottom you can see there is a option transpose. Just click to that transpose and just simply press OK. You can see your data is showing in horizontal format now. Just simply double click here to proper see the names. Just double click here to properly see the names of a student. So you can see we have changed our vertical data to horizontal. There is a small issue with this data, like if I make any changes to this data, like 52, then you can see it is not changed here to this data because both data is not linked to each other. So how we can link both the data so that when you make any changes to this data, your that change should reflect to this data also. For this, what we need to do, let me show you. Let me first remove this previous data. Now let's try this with the help of formula, transpose formula. Earlier what we did, we used space spatial and there was a function transpose. So now we will do the same thing with the help of formula. As I told you before, to apply any formula, just type equal to sign, then transpose. Now click on tab. Now what is the formula asking for is array. Array means you have to give the complete data. You have select the complete data. This is our array. Now bracket close. Now what do you think, this function will work? Let me see. It did not work. Let me tell you why. Because we have applied transpose function for entire sheet over here, and what we did here, we have given array to a single cell. We have selected a single cell for complete array. This is the reason we did not get the data. So what we need to do to perform this correctly, first we need to perform transpose. First we need to select multiple cells, then equal to sign. Now transpose, you can double click or press tab. Now it is asking for array, so let me give the array complete sheet. Let me select the complete sheet. Let me bracket close. So now what we will do, we will not enter. Before enter, we have to shift control enter. Now you can see when I press shift control enter, it has given the data. So here you can see all the names are not there because when we were performing transpose, we just selected some cells, multiple cells, but it was not complete. We did not select the accurate complete cells. So what we can do here, just select this and one more column and one more row for Hindi as well. You can see is not correctly in correct format. So what we can do, just click on this formula tab here and do the same thing. Shift Control Enter. Now you can see, is it perfect now? Everything is perfect now. That you can see the difference now. Now if I make any changes here, if I change the marks, math marks to 90, then you can see 90 is changed over here also. Whenever your data is not in the correct format, like while applying transpose, what we did here with the help of formula, just simply go here and Shift Control Enter. Today we learned about transpose function, how we can change our vertical data to horizontal with the help of transpose function. I hope you learned something with this video. If you think this video was worth watching, do like, comment and subscribe. This is all for today. I'll come again with the new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.